an interesting thing, that is math shortcut tricks. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. If you are ready, let's start. Friends, is it possible to multiply these large numbers in only one step? No, right. Now I will do the answer for the two large numbers and I will say the secret behind this multiplication trick. Friends, see how fast and easily I have done these large numbers. Now I will say the secret behind this multiplication trick. Friends, the reason behind this trick is, first step is we need to write this 3 as it is here and we need to subtract 1 from this number, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And friends, what is the difference between 9 and 3? It is 6, right? Write 6 here. And then what is the difference between 9 and 5? It is 4. Now we need to add 1 to this 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This is the trick. This is the reason behind this trick. We need to subtract 1 from this number and here we need to add 1 from this number. Now we will do for this number also. I have first step is write these two numbers here. First write the 6, write the 8 here and we need to subtract 1 from this number, that is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And what is the difference between 9 and 6? It is 3, right? Write 3 here. Difference between 9 and 8 is equal to 1. Write 1 here. And what is the difference between 9 and 2? It is 7. We need to add 1 to this 7. So then we will get 8. As I said, here we need to subtract 1 and then here we need to add 1. Friend, this trick is only applicable for the number at the top with fully 9. So then only we will get the correct answer. If we are having 98 into 35, we should not use this trick. So that you will get the wrong answer. Friends, now we will see another example to understand this trick more easily. As I said, the first step is write these 3 numbers as it is here. Write 3 here, 9 and then 6. As I said, we need to reduce 1 from 4, that is 3. And then what is the difference between 9 and 3? That is equal to 6. Write 6 here. Difference between 9 and 9 is equal to 0. Write 0 here. Difference between 9 and 6 is equal to 3. 3 here. And then what is the difference between 9 and 4? That is 5. As I said, at last we need to add 1 to this 5 so that we will get 6. Friend, see how fast and easily we have done this 4-digit calculation in a single step. See, if you practice this method at home, you will also get this method very easily and you can also do this very quickly. This 9999 into 3964. Friends, see, the answer is same. Wow! 39636 See, 39636 The answer is same. See how amazing it is. Friends, is it possible to multiply these numbers, these two numbers in mind without any paperwork? Do this sum in mind and I will say you the trick how to do this two numbers in mind. Friend, see, without any paperwork, I have done this answer. I have done this answer in mind. The trick how to do is, first step is, we need to multiply 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15 and here is this 3 is in tens. So that we need to add 0 to it. So that 150 and 5 to 5 is equal to 25. 25. We need to add in mind. So that 175. This is the trick how I add this, multiply this number in mind. Now I will also say this for this number also. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. The 5 is in tens place, so that add one 0. 40 plus 0, that is equal to 400. And then 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Plus 24, that is equal to 424.